Hey everyone, I'm Super Flashlight. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving yesterday. I mean, the day before. Well, in today's episode, this is just an ordinary episode because I will be reacting to CSX maintenance trucks right now. Hey, cool, look at that. CSX maintenance trucks on the bridge over the James River in Richmond, Virginia. That's nice. I remember this from like March 2017. And that's it. It's loading. Hey, cool. CSX maintenance trucks from March 2018. I remember this on the CSX line. They were doing track work. This music is so relaxing. Oh yeah. Dad and I couldn't rail fan because they were doing maintenance work. And we didn't know that this was a private property. Honest. They're just too mean. Norfolk Southern's nice. Although I was far away from the tracks, they said that this was trespassing. CSX is just too boring. You know me. Too boring, too boring. I want something that's exciting. I remember filming this in Dumbarton, Virginia. I remember this. That's Hull Street Road. I think this was from March or April. Look at that in the rain. In the rain. It's a CSX maintenance truck. Of course, either May or April. I remember this. The CSX maintenance truck is riding on the rails. Is that a CSX fan riding on the rails? Or is that a car? As I stepped out, this guy was like looking at me like, are you trespassing? Nah. I wasn't trespassing. I was just waiting for something good. But I guess I am trespassing. I apologize. At least you forgave me. But I guess I learned now that trespassing on train tracks is not the right thing to do. Even though I'm far away, this is considered trespassing. Norfolk Southern CSX have different policies, and you're right, but we shouldn't, Why is that guy staying there? I can't see him. He's like... At least I got him on tape. I guess he was like, alright, that's it. You know what? I'm telling the police right now. You know what? I'm going to say to the police. Nah. Policemen can be fun, but some railway policemen are not nice. They're just too mean. It might be because they have a lot of people on the tracks and they don't even listen. If this guy listens, then I'm his friend. His or her friend. It's been very nice looking at this, but I'm not interested in CSX anymore. Okay, so in the fall 2018 or the summer, I think it was either August or September or October. Look at that. It's another CSX maintenance truck, which we just missed. I got it. There it is. A high rail truck driving on the tracks. I used to film those trains whenever I'm on my way home from school. Another one from October. Now this one is cool. Turning off of the highway, White Road Highway. Okay, why should I be doing this? That's dangerous. Do I have to sing that song? Another one from November or December. Now that one should be really cool because, well, it is cool. Or, I think that was from 2019. Probably in August. I miss those old days of road fanning. I just wish I would go back on this highway. But I'm not interested in CSX anymore. I like to, but I'm not interested anymore. I'm not interested. Another one on Hall Street Road in Midlothian, Virginia. Oh yeah. Okay, so this was either from like 2019 or 2018. This one is cool. I like it. This music's catchy. Pretty funny, huh? Alright, so this one was from October or November 2019. Driving in Richmond, Virginia on the highway. Hello, sir. Guess what? I'm in a car doing the backseat boogie. Okay. No Blue's Clues references. I just want to move on. I bet there's only one left because I hadn't seen any this year at all. I hadn't. It's a high rail truck. That's definitely from November or December. It's really cool, just on the rails in the ACCA yard. Hello there. I'm in a car. Wow, this is nice. I miss seeing the yard. Oh well, I wish everything was back to normal. Hey, the music's changing. Oh, I get it, because there's a dead end. Okay. End of the line. That's it. That's all I have so far. Well, that's all. Excuse me. Well, that's all I have so far. See you guys later. And that's it. I must get back to the camera right now. There's not that many maintenance trucks. Not like NS. Not like NS. Since I lost interest of, well, CSX. Well, anyways, I hope you all had a good Thanksgiving. It was different. At least I filmed SpongeBob and the Macy's Thanksgiving Parade. Oh, and I almost forgot. I forgot to upload the clip of Thomas and Percy's mountain adventure on my other YouTube channel. I'm sorry, I had a feast and I was just exhausted. Don't worry, I'll get it uploaded today on my other channel right now. So like and subscribe. Bye. Whoops. Just a minute. So like and okay. Like and subscribe. Bye. See you next Saturday in December for Christmas. Woohoo! Christmas. And stay safe out there with a smile. Bye-bye. See you next week.